Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, September 26, 2025. This week was all about fitness, fun, and giving back to our amazing schools. A huge shout out to Rossmoor, Weaver, and Lee for hosting their Fun Run, Jogathon, and Lee Olympics fundraisers. Our community showed up big, and we couldn't be more grateful for your generosity and support. Students, teachers, staff, and even administrators jumped in, proving that getting fit for a cause is the best kind of fun. In other news, from September 15th through October 15th, Los Alamitos Unified proudly celebrates Hispanic Heritage Month. This week, our Hopkinson Huskies hosted an assembly that featured young Peruvian cultural dancers, including one of Hopkinson's very own fourth graders, who competes internationally with his partner. The assembly also welcomed Puerto Rican performers, dancers, and musicians who shared celebratory dances and powerful drum music that had students clapping along and inspired by the energy of their performance. Meanwhile, over at Los Alamitos High School, Griffins packed the quad for a 2-day Club Rush event. With more than 140 clubs on display, students had the opportunity to connect with peers, pursue passions, and get involved in everything from causes and creativity to sports and cultural groups. Speaking of Los Alamitos High School, our math and English language arts teachers stepped into the role of students this week, diving deep into assessment data together. You may recall elementary and middle school teachers taking part in similar professional learning earlier this year. It's just one more example of how Los Al USD is committed to continuous improvement and helping every student thrive. Board members Chris Forehand and Marlis Davidson joined Dr. Pulver on site visits this week, spending time across multiple campuses to see learning in action. At Hopkinson, they had the chance to watch Huskies engage in hands-on learning, and over at Weaver, they stepped into a breakout EDU session where students worked together to solve clues and unlock the challenge. The visits wrapped up at Los Alamitos High School, where they toured several world language and other various classrooms together. And finally, we'll end this week's episode with highlights from one of our favorite annual traditions, Peace Week, which stands for People Exhibiting Acceptance and Compassion for Everyone. This week, Weaver and McAuliffe led the way with activities that remind us why kindness, connection, and inclusion matter. Weaver launched with Start with Hello Day, showing how simple greeting can make someone feel seen and included. At McAuliffe, students and staff faced off in a fun game of kickball, while campuses embraced fun dress-up days to celebrate compassion and being an upstander. Our remaining school sites will join the celebration of Peace Week during the week of October 7th, and we can't wait to see even more moments that bring our students and staff together. Well, that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap-up!